What to expect from a workplace rehab provider? Is your workplace rehab provider doing their job? Here is what service you can expect from your workplace rehab provider. 1. Assessment. Once they receive a referral, the rehabilitation provider will conduct an assessment to determine if further rehabilitation services or a specific service would be beneficial for you. 2. Discussion of findings. If the assessment recommends rehabilitation services, the provider should discuss their findings with you, your employer, and your treating medical practitioner to ensure everyone is on the same page. 3. Service delivery plan. If all parties agree on the recommended services, the provider will create a service delivery plan that outlines these services. This plan must be signed by you, your employer, and your treating medical practitioner before the services can be provided. A service delivery plan is not required when only a single service is to be provided. 4. Regular updates and transparency. The rehabilitation provider should give a copy of the agreed plan to you, your employer, and your treating medical practitioner. Additionally, all parties should receive regular updates on the costs incurred and the anticipated costs of your rehabilitation services to maintain transparency throughout the process. It's important to note that resolving disputes is not within the scope of your workplace rehab provider's responsibilities. If you're facing issues or disputes related to your return to work program in Western Australia, contact Foyle Legal for an obligation-free initial claim review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.